BM English Speaking Radio Channel presents BM English Word of the Day. My name is Prachati and I'm your host for this episode. You are listening to episode number 117 of season 3. Today's word is iteration. The meaning of iteration is the process or action of repeating something, saying something again and again, often with an intention to produce the desired result. With BM English Speaking Radio Channel, learn one new word every day and impress the world. In this English vocabulary lesson, you will learn how to use the word iteration. We are sure that this ESL lesson will help you to enhance your English vocabulary and speak English fluently and confidently. Iteration is spelled as I-T-E-R-A-T-I-O-N. The word iteration means the process or action of repeating something or saying something again and again, often with an intention to produce the desired result. For example, the software programmer had to execute many iterations of his program before he got the desired result. Listen carefully how we can use the word iteration in 8 different situations in 8 different sentences. Example number 1 of 8. The customers reported certain defects in the products. The quality control manager carried out several iterations of the production process meticulously to detect the fault and eliminate the same. Moving on to example number 2 of 8. The director had adapted a famous Russian play into an Indian language. Despite multiple iterations of dress rehearsals, he was not satisfied with the final outcome. Finally, he consulted his seniors from the industry and improvised the play. Wow! Excellent dedication, isn't it? Now let us understand example number 3 of 8. Vinith had a fall on football playground and suffered a bone injury. It took him some time to recover. His coach taught him specific exercises and asked him to carry out daily iteration of the same under his guidance. Example number 4 of 8. Perseverance is a very crucial virtue for a scientist. Often, the scientist has to perform a large number of iterations of the same experiment till the invention is verified. Isn't this an interesting example? Do you know, when you speak English fluently and confidently, it opens new career opportunities, enhances your confidence, builds your socializing skills, and helps you become a global citizen. To know more about our English fluency courses, log on to our website www.bmconsultantsindia.com. Example number 5 of 8. The professor told the class that the theorem was extremely important. He iterated the statement of the theorem thrice to highlight the importance. He also asked the students to repeat the same after him. Moving on to example number 6 of 8. The eminent singer visited the town after a decade. His shows were booked in advance. The audience loved his performance and he had to present multiple iterations of his most popular songs. Now let us understand example number 7 of 8. Martina was making a particular mistake repeatedly while playing a musical piece on her guitar. Her teacher asked her to stay back after the class and made her do numerous iterations of the same piece till she played it flawlessly. Moving on to example number 8 of 8. The witness iterated his statement fearlessly and accurately in front of the judges and both lawyers. This worked in favor of the prosecution and the accused was sent to jail. Today we learnt the word iteration, which means the process or action of repeating something or saying something again and again, often with an intention to produce the desired result. Can you frame 3 sentences with iteration and type in the comments box? We are waiting. We are sure this lesson has helped to enhance your English vocabulary and speak fluent English. You can download the script of this episode and all our episodes from www.bmenglishspeakingradio.in. Stay tuned for new English vocabulary lessons. We are on a mission to train 1 crore Indians in English fluency. This was episode number 117 of 200 BM vocabulary episodes that we have planned. Kindly note that we will be uploading 1 vocabulary episode daily at 6 a.m. Indian Standard Time. So meet you tomorrow at 6 o'clock with a new word. Till then, take care.